This picture.
Oh. What's this one, Gibbons?
Maiden.
Oh.
My own printed quad.
Own printed quad?
Yeah.
Is this your own design or have you rubbed off net?
No, it's my own.
Oh look, put it on the bench.
My own design.
Is this 3D printed?
Yep.
What version is this?
6.
What's happened to the other 5 versions?
Crashed.
That should be a good video.
There's a fork in the plastic one, the best.
Yeah, now so we've got carbon rods through those ones, are we Gibbons?
Yeah.
There's a fork in the plastic.
Can't believe I'm touching this piece of shit, but there you go.
Hey, language, you ruined the video.
3D printed, carbon rods. Now need for 4 screws, we only use 2. Any Loctites on there?
Nope.
That's a full. Well, the squads go, and as expensive as they are, how much was that to print?
3 quid.
3 quid. Left crashing for 3 quid, eh?
Well, not entirely 3 quid.
Oh! Aye aye, it's a fucking police car. Look. Is it a Nino as well?
It might go crash.
The orange was donated, so it's not actually 3 quid.
Yeah, I'm still going on it. We all give me fucking reel back. Aye?
No, because I keep asking to let me stuff after the crash.
Goggles.
Every
You're going to
week.
give you the empty roll back.
What goggles are them the cheap and nasty ones.
I'll give you the empty one back. Here we go.
Aye aye. He's psyching himself up, look.
Are you going to try by line of sight first, Baz, are you? Or?
Is he fuck?
You got a picture?
Does he do anything by ours?
He did last week.
No, I'm just going to go for it.
Just going to go
Oh,
full
yeah.
send, eh?
On your screen it says you're 25 milliwatts.
Oh.
Is that right?
Is that all?
That's what it's showing on your data.
Oh, there you go.
Is that
Oh,
true?
oh, this could be good for a crash, Chris. Any comments?
Never to be seen again.
Which pad you landing for when you crash? I mean, when you land?
This could be fun then.
This could be fun. What does that mean, 25 milliwatts? Does that mean fucked or what?
Not very long range.
Not very long range. Well, that should be right then for you. Straight down the field. Plump. In a puddle.
Don't go past the gate.
Right, that's it. He's having it. He don't care, he's going for it. Is that on your jumper, Baz? On your jumper radio?
Yeah.
That your new one?
Yeah.
Poor bastard. That's it. It's flashing. Them lights on the back or the front? £3. Fully printed. Police car lights on the back. Now pressure, Baz. Oh ho ho! Down, down. That's landing on the fucking mat. I don't think you was aiming for the other one, either, was you?
That's all right. The printed quad, isn't it?
Comments on that, Gibbons?
I'm
Mama.
quite happy with that.
Fuck's with that of it?
Camera's a bit grainy, but that's all.
Police lights work. Quite bright on the video, them all.
Are they?
Yeah.
3 quid. 3 quid to print that. My own design.
Super.
Alright, Paul, isn't it?
We'll give him that one. We've got 3D printed creation. Tricopter. Still a quad. Never mind.
Hey up. A quad in.
Printed from Paul Webb.
Fucking 3 of them here.
Aye.
Under the table, Paul.
Now. Are you? Oh. Thought you meant these two behind me. Flies quite well, that does, open. Oh. Oh, careful, careful. On video as well. How can't beat a bit of carnage on video? That mouse is loose on the back foot.
It's supposed to be loose.
Oh, is it? Sorry, mate. Go on, carry on. That's me being a dickhead. Never mind. He does not want to give him. Oh! Oh! Prop gun! Prop gun. Oh, look at him.
The wind's blowing from over there.
Stop listening to these in peer pressure. One down, two to go. Who's that over there? Is that Chris? What, gap in the edge? Who's got the orange props on? Oh! He's down! I know, Stinny. I've got it on video.
Yeah, the brand sticking out.
It's a shame I can't zoom in that far. That would have been funny.
I've been through that.
Yeah, whatever.
Round the two gaps.
Alright, mate. I believe you.
Yeah, it's not awful, you're not looking.
Oh, I was filming Paul crashing his instead.
No, the brand sticking out is
I'll pause this because have a guess where he's going. Again. Oh, yeah, you're fucking stupid as you are, that's why. How's that feel anyway, fetching your own quad? Our Tigger's going to try and land on that fucking thing, look. Missed again. Oh, look at this for an embarrassment. Missed again. Look.
What was his first name?
There you go.
Fucking more signal up here.
Eventually. There's Gibbons. Land on top of him, Baz. Chris is right behind you. This could get interesting. There's only one mat left and two quads in the air. One of you's going to have the mat, the other one's going to have to land on Towner.
Which town again?
On the cloth mat. Gibbons is down on the plastic. Chris, I've got to land on Towner now. I mean literally, you fucker. Whoa! Oh, Tony's playing. Yeah, playing the game. Is it Tony trying to shred you?
Oh, what have you done there?
That's. Where's Tony going again?
Looks at playing. How to get his quad out the edge. You can just see it, look hanging.
That it. That edge again. That quad. That edge. Now it's in the. It's actually in the ground.
How is
It
it?
fell back on the ground now.
Oh, steady, mate, steady.
That would have been a good video, wouldn't it? It's quite a bit of muddy conditions over here today. Raptor. Fucking hell, guys.
Better be around this
Sad out there. I was coming to film you playing, guys. I was coming to film Tony on a walk, but what were it? Oh! Fucking hell.
Had to dig the engine out of the ground.
Oh! I've just said that. Stop. Oh, in him. Oh.
Fucking has wrecked it out, guys.
That's a lonely walk out there.
What's on?
Could do.
Tigger's crashed again. It's a quad thing.